Good morning. This is Dave Johnson with Day Trade the Markets. We're looking at a chart of it's a 2-minute chart of the September crude contract. The news was just released, so this is Wednesday, and at Wednesday at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time is when the news is released. So the market here has shown us, okay, I'm long. I need to go ahead and put in an objective on this first one. So 34, I'm going to put it up here at 49. Sell limit 2 at 49, so that's for half of the position. And the reason I've gotten long here is that we have been intraday up for actually the last 2 weeks. This morning we had come down and tested into this known support area here. You can see it hit it right basically on the dot earlier today. Had a bit of a bounce, couldn't get back above this magenta, which is very aggressive selling. Came down here, made a new low with this red bar, which is our second strongest level of aggression, magenta being the most. But as soon as the news came out, it turned right around quickly and gave us a blue bar, which is the most aggressive kind of buying. So I've ended up by entering this trade on the long side, just a tick above the high of this magenta bar. So now it's obviously fairly volatile here, as you can see. These are 2-minute bars, and this blue bar here, when it formed, it rallied from what, 85 up to 55. So that's 70 ticks. It's a pretty darn good move. So you can see we did reach up here towards the high of yesterday. Did not take out the high of yesterday, which I'm anticipating it wants to do. Who knows if it will, but that's my expectation. And so I have my first objective here at plus 15 ticks, which is from 34 to 49. So, hopefully we'll get a little bit of a bounce here and get filled on that. I do need to go ahead and place my protective stop. And now that we're starting to get a bit of consolidation in here, since this news has been released, we've had the big blue aggressive buying up bar. I want to see this thing start to continue to move. We've had this little bit of a pause right here. I'm going to go ahead and put my stop in, and this, once the market had traded above, okay, there we just got filled on that, so plus 15 on half of the trade, and I really, this red bar that we have, a light red bar that we had here when the market sold off, and now we've turned around and taken out its high, so it's doing what we expected. We do want to see it test up in here, yesterday's high. So we're out of 2 of the contracts. I'm going to go ahead and put in a sell stop. Now that it's moved about 20 ticks in our favor, I'm going to put a sell stop in right here at break even, and that's at 34. So hopefully it's going to go up and take out yesterday's high and continue. Might have to come down first. Now this is another feature of the day trade the market software, which is what we call a high velocity move, and that obviously tries to identify the speed of the market. So we're really looking at the aggression in the market, the speed of the market, and the condition of the market. So this other area up in here, I'm just going to draw a line up in here for now, which was yesterday's high right in here. This is where we're expecting the market to exceed. We want it to take out that high, because that's really what the up auction should do, if we've got some good buying in here, is go ahead and take out the previous day's high, especially after we had a market here with good selling and also very good selling here, aggression on the magenta, very good selling on the red, and then we've basically reversed that sentiment. So at any rate, that's where we're at right now. Just so I make this video fairly short, I'm going to go ahead and pause the recording, and I will pick it up as the market dictates. Okay, just restarted the recording. You can see it just came down a moment ago and stopped us there at break even. So I still think the market is good. It may come down to the top here of this high velocity move, and I may make another trade there. But for the time being, I'm going to go ahead and stop this recording. So I've just got the 15 ticks on 2 of those contracts, and break even 0 on the other 2 contracts on that crude trade, which we took right after, or very quickly, or soon after the news is released. So that's that for this trade. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.